back to 30 days of AI challenge where hopefully by the end you'll be able to train your own AI. Anyway, let's roll in day 3, shall we? What are we waiting for? Now, in this generative AI, there is LLMs, agents, foundation models, LoRA. I'm pretty sure you guys know all this, okay? From the fact that you guys already answered a lot of questions, but still, because I'm here, I'm going to tell it to you all, okay? First of all, what is LLMs? What is agents? What is foundation models? What's LoRA, right? And there is again agents. There is no two agents. Fun fact, this is made by AI, so there will be some errors, forgive me. So, what is LLMs? Large language models, right? I'm pretty sure you guys heard about ChatGPT. So, this ChatGPT and BERT and Llama all are part of this LLMs or large language models. They're trained on like a big data set. Like, let's say the whole Instagram data of people talking and all, or Reddit or internet as a whole, and based on that they have been created. Now GPT is like generative transformer. Transformer is something that we need to look into. It's a type of neural network other than DNN, RNN and CNN. Imagine this, okay? Transformer typically refers to when you take an LLM and it thinks in a way such that it takes a certain information, okay, and it encodes it and decodes it, okay. Let's see this. It understands the question. For example, I'm saying what is AI, so it understands the question, encodes, first of all decodes it, then it encodes it, so it answers how. What is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. So it starts answering, that is decoding. So this generative pre-trained transformer, what is that? Generative pre-trained transformer means generating text based on pre-trained information and based on the transformer architecture of neural networks. Now there is another way that LLMs could learn, right? Not just looking at the question then answering it based on the previous data. That is BERT. BERT basically it looks at the question in a different way, and rather than looking at the question and answer, it doesn't do that. What it does, it just goes to the answer. So for example, everyone uses autocorrect in their keyboard, right? They type AI, what will come next, right? Go to your keyboard and type something. I am, maybe your name might come. It predicts what the next test will be. That is BERT, right? So it goes to both the sides and then it predicts what the next text will be. I don't want to go too in depth, but hope that is understandable. It's cool. Llama and all is also similar to this. I'm not going too in depth. These are large language models, and foundation models are actually similar to this too, right? Foundation models are actually kind of, the spelling is wrong because it's made with AI, like I said. Even the whole design, by the way guys, I try to integrate AI wherever possible, more on that later. But foundation models don't have a huge data, okay? So they have really less data as such. So they don't have like whole internet. Like for example, the Nyaya Sati I was saying, it's for laws, right? So it only has law stuff in it. That is like, so it will be a small model with like basic information like what is food, what is this, what every child would know. Then to make it specifically for that one use case like law, we give it more information and turn it into a large language model. This is going to be really needed for tomorrow guys. This is LoRA. I told you about foundation models, right? It will have all the basic information, and then to train it on more stuff, we need a lot of data set on that stuff like laws, and then we convert it to LLMs, right? So this LoRA helps us do that. It can change or adapt a part of a large language model. So it takes a certain part of the brain, it cuts it out, inserts some new info, closes it, ta-da, new model, right? Basically taking like, let's say ChatGPT and adding your law information, or let's say Marvel superheroes, and making it into a Marvel bot, right? So hope that is done. Let's go. We are speedrunning this like anything. Now what is agents? Okay, imagine this, okay? You ask ChatGPT a question. If it doesn't know, it tells you it doesn't know, right? But what if ChatGPT had the power of like, okay, it doesn't know, then what do I do? Okay, then I can go online, search, and then come back with the information it answers. So it kind of like it understands the task, decides what to do, and takes action by itself. Okay, think about it like this. Okay, my father tells me to go buy milk, okay, from the nearest shop, okay. And when he tells me to go buy, he's like, go buy milk. Okay, he doesn't tell me where the shop is. He doesn't say, go straight, take a left, go straight, take a right. He doesn't tell me the way. So these AI agents, they know where to go, where to click, what tool to use when you need. Maybe searching online, maybe using voice feature, right? It may be creating a picture. It thinks on its own what tool to use based on that certain situation, right? So that is AI agents. Now here are two examples of AI agents from our people at OpenAI that created ChatGPT and Sora, and our people at Claude, right? So this what you're seeing on the left is OpenAI. It automatically goes, searches online what to do, and then it checks. That is not a human being typing and searching. That is literally the AI clicking, typing. That's agents, right? So you can see it can create its subtask. That's agents, right? It can see. So we told it to buy something, so it's going online, researching. Now that's too boring. Next. Okay, now this is a Claude computer. It's basically looking at this video, and based on that it is told to add it on the Excel sheet at that time frame what's happening. So check it out here, right? Here it can actually search and do that. Okay, so based on that information it finished the Excel sheet, and this side you can see it bought the stuff. So these are AI agents. It's not real human beings clicking on stuff. These are bots that goes, clicks, adds Excel sheets, adds number, and we are not doing anything. We are like, go do it, I'm too lazy. I really hope we humans don't get lazy. This is a whole table that will help you guys a lot. Okay, first of all, narrow AI. What is narrow AI? It's like us kids, okay? It's like a small child. So it's examples like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, even ChatGPT is part of this. I'll tell you how. A system designed to perform specific tasks. Okay, no definitions. I don't like definitions, but in short, ChatGPT is what is it designed to do? Mimic human, right? So it is doing a specific task, so it will come in narrow AI. It is not as smart as us right now, right? It has high efficiency, right? So that is when narrow AIs come in, right? It thinks and it uses that specific task. Okay, ChatGPT is also part of this, and Gemini and all of these are part of this because it's made to do that specific task of trying to replicate a human in everything from coding to writing, other than just, Google Assistant and all its fixed responses. So it might not be as accurate. Okay, let's take artificial general intelligence or AGI next, right? AI with the ability to understand, learn and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. See, ChatGPT is able to understand us. ChatGPT is able to learn stuff. It is able to apply stuff. But is it across a wide range of tasks? Is it able to help us be like a human being? Does it have emotions? That is AGI or general intelligence. So that doesn't exist now, guys. So that's why no one is able to give an example. Okay.
Thank you so much for joining into this 30-day AI challenge. Hope you are able to learn something from this. Now you have to rewatch this, understand the concepts again. Watching this once won't kind of help you. Now if you missed any sessions, do watch those as well. Anyway, thank you for joining. Thank you for supporting my mission in teaching you guys AI. Another person who is supporting me is Oxygen, because there's a lot of cost to do all this, and I just want to thank Oxygen for supporting us doing all this. Now if you want awesome phones, awesome laptops, awesome washing machines that even has AI and stuff, I don't know, it's crazy. I've gone to that showroom. It has an Apple Store vibe, right? So check it out. Love Oxygen. You guys already know, I don't have to explain a lot. That's it. Do join tomorrow. Thank you. My name is Rahul. You're watching Rahul the Rockstar, and I am signing out.